Welcome to another training. In this training, we're going to learn how to share screen to do presentation during Zoom meeting. If you are doing presentation, it's advisable you use laptop instead of your phone for presentation, because phone is a small device and may not be convenient for doing presentation, except you are sharing screen for any other thing. And secondly, you should prepare your training document or presentation in PowerPoint and in slide format, and store in a place that is easily accessible by you. Then the third one you should know is that you should make sure you are connected to a stable network. And when all these things are in place, you already log in to the Zoom meeting, and it's your turn to do presentation to participants. You just click on share. When you click on share, you have the basic, you have advanced, where involve all these ones: computer audio, the video, and you have the files. Okay, but let's go back to basic, which we are doing. You click on the screen or the desktop and you click on share. Again, you can share sound coming up from your system. When you check this, that means if there is any sound coming up from your system, all the participants will hear of it. So we don't want that. You just disable it and you click share. You can go to your presentation, double click on your slide, and it opens. Then turn it into a slideshow format, so you have something like this. Okay, at a point you can pause the screen sharing. You can resume the screen sharing, saying you are screen sharing again, and when you are through, you can click stop sharing. Click stop sharing, and you go back to the Zoom meeting where you have every participants.